Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a very unique Ichimoku trading strategy. So first you need Ichimoku indicator. So it's this one, Ichimoku cloud. Alright, and the setting is default and I changed the color a bit, okay, green and red, and I untick the lagging span. Alright, and then you need parabolic SAR by Everget here. So I use default setting, and then you need ATR indicator. ATR indicator by ATR stop loss finder by VeryFit. Okay, and the setting is you put 2.5 here. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the price to be below the cloud, and you want the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, the red line and the green line here to cross down. Okay, so red is above the green, so it's in downtrend, and the parabolic SAR has a buy signal. So we sell when the parabolic SAR has a buy signal. So we take contrarian position. So your stop loss is the ATR. Okay, so that's the white line here. So your target is 1 to 1.5. Okay, and I've already backtested this strategy 100 times, and I'll give you the link down below to my other channel if you want to see the backtest result. All right, and okay, so here we have another sell. Okay, price below the cloud and Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross down. Okay, the red above the green. So it's in downtrend, so we sell and we target 1 to 1.5. All right, and here we have another sell. Okay, so this is your stop loss and target 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay, so for buy, you want the opposite. The price has to be above the cloud and the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross up. Okay, so the green above the red. Okay, and the parabolic SAR have a sell signal. So you buy here. So the stop loss is the ATR and you target 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay, so here we have another buy. Okay, the green above the red. Target 1 to 1.5. Okay, and here we have buy here. Okay. All right. Target 1 to 1.5. So if you have any question, just ask me down below. Okay. Thanks.